What would you say never understand? Me say make me and Tonya deal with it. Boy, man, look impatient. No, man. No, him gonna talk to this little girl. Me can't find her. Why you boy?
Yeah, she alright, man. She got training. Oh, you know, me now can't pick you up them time there because me have to push you already. Yeah. I work me there now still too. Alright, so you talk to your father? You know, easy, you know. Babe, listen, yeah? And you know, saying they call me to and tell me, say, I could circle you. Alright, just make sure you don't tell the man nothing bad about me, you know. Alright, babe. Yeah, man. Just call me when you get reaching, alright? Yeah.
Come whisper.
You look so alright?
No. Why man so impatient?
How happened?
Savage did there the other day. And I said to him, say, him asked me about the Annie's situation. And I said to him, say, don't worry about it. Me and Tony and we take care of it. You know, said Savage go up at Tapil go talk to Annie's. No, me can't find her.
So you can't find her because you didn't talk to her?
Him not just talk to her, him rough her up. And threaten the little girl say, if she not talk the truth, it will make she spend her life at prison. Really?
So, you talk to him about it?
No, me can't get to talk to him. Because him dey on mission and a deep sleep that one year, so me can't get him on nothing at all. Phone, email, nothing. And now me can't find the little girl. I kinda know me ignorant for him. Me have to wait till him come home before me talk to him.
Get what you're saying about. You have to remember how she stay. You sure she not gone, she gone for one of your rogue moon gone. I don't know.
I know you know whisper, but we can't do things like how Savage do it. Savage will scare with people. We have to find a diabolical way how to get information out of people.
Get that thing about I say. But you don't know. Some things we can't do later upon. And I understand the fact that our work is a tactical work. So we get where you come.